Hey there, Victor with JVM Lending here. Wanted to provide a quick word of advice in these changing times in the market. The bond market has been volatile recently, and unexpected changes to the mortgage rates can be worrisome. Sudden adverse change in the rates can cause an increase to your payment that can last for a long time, and worse yet, can make it more challenging to qualify for a loan moving forward. This is why I spend time every day keeping up with the market to provide you with the best information and advice to help you secure that best rate. In addition to the market knowledge, I also have access to critical real estate market intel, which will help you better understand the opportunity based upon forecasted appreciation in your market. These are some of the ways I can help you guide you through the mortgage process as your trusted advisor and mortgage expert to make the most of your housing opportunity. Contact JVM's team today to learn more about how we can help you achieve your home ownership goals. Thanks so much.